Hi everyone, Adam here. Today I'm reviewing Frontpoint, a home security company that offers a full lineup of cameras, floodlights, sensors, and smart features designed to give you complete control over what's happening around your home. And before we get into the details, if you're looking for what I consider a better alternative, make sure you check out the link in the first comment below this video and in the description. I'll mention it again later, so keep that in mind. So, let's talk about Frontpoint. One thing I've noticed while reviewing different home security brands is that Frontpoint really leans into creating a full ecosystem. You're not just getting a single camera or a basic alarm, you're building a complete setup with motion sensors, door and window sensors, outdoor floodlight cameras, and indoor cameras that all work together inside one app. Speaking of the app, that's actually one of the highlights of the Frontpoint experience. The dashboard is clean and really easy to navigate. You can check in on live camera feeds, see who's at the front door, talk through two-way audio, and get alerts instantly. If someone walks up to your door at night, the system captures it clearly even in the dark, thanks to the night vision built into their cameras. The notifications come through fast too, so you're not sitting around wondering what happened 5 minutes ago. You see it almost in real time. Another thing that stands out is how Frontpoint helps you stay aware even when you're not home. The smart sensors and cameras work together to keep you updated on any activity, whether it's a door opening, movement outside, or someone ringing your doorbell. And being able to view everything right from the app makes it feel like you're always connected to what's going on. Frontpoint's installation is also pretty straightforward. It's designed to be DIY friendly, which is great if you like setting things up your own way. The sensors and devices come labeled. The app walks you through the process, and most people can have their system up and running the same day. Now, like I said earlier, if you're considering Frontpoint and you also want to compare it to what I think is an even better alternative, make sure you check out the link I placed in the first comment and in the description. That option gives you a really strong value, so definitely don't skip that. Overall, Frontpoint is a solid home security choice for anyone who wants a flexible setup with cameras, floodlights, and sensors that all work together through one clean app. It gives you that peace of mind of knowing exactly what's happening around your home, whether you're on the couch or miles away. If you want to explore the alternative I recommend, the link in the first comment and in the description is where you'll find it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.